Silhouette of a man's upper torso. A portion of the heart is shown with arteries extending up from the heart into the face and head.
A stroke can occur when an obstruction, such as a blood clot, travels from another part of the body and lodges inside an artery in the brain.
The figure rotates, showing the arteries in the neck. An enlarged close-up of one small section in the upper part of the neck shows a blood clot.
When an arterial wall becomes damaged, various types of emboli, or obstructions, can form.
A blood vessel with a small damaged area on the inner wall is shown. The blood vessel wall peels away from the side of the artery and protrudes into the channel where it partly obstructs the blood flow. A mass, the emboli, forms on the damaged section of the blood vessel.
Emboli can be made up of various substances such as platelets, elements in the blood that help it clot, blood clots that form elsewhere and pass to the damaged area, cholesterol, or a combination of things.
Pieces of the emboli are shown breaking off the main embolism and flowing down the blood vessel. First, an emboli made of platelets, then a blood clot, then cholesterol, and then an emboli made of a mixture of these substances.
For example, an embolism is formed in the carotid artery and breaks loose, traveling towards the brain where it will eventually lodge, blocking the blood the brain needs.
Close-up on the carotid artery just below the brain. A bright flashing light showing the location of the obstruction rises up the artery and disappears into the underside of the brain.
The blocked artery deprives the brain of oxygen, which causes damage to the surrounding tissue.
The brain is seen in profile, overlain by blood vessels. The brain shows 3 darkened areas located at the lower right part of the brain. The darkened areas represent damaged tissue.
The result is a stroke.
The image rotates and pulls back to show more of the brain. The darkened areas show where the stroke has caused the death of part of the brain tissue.